Hey, Sweet Mind Swellness family, welcome back to another video where we explore simple ways to boost your health and happiness. Today, we're diving into something so effortless you might be underestimating its power. Walking. What if I told you that just 30 minutes a day could strengthen your heart, sharpen your mind, and lift your mood? Whether you're rushing through errands or strolling in the park, every step counts. In this video, we'll uncover the science-backed benefits for your body. Hello, calorie burn and immunity boost. How walking sparks creativity and fights brain fog. Pro tips to turn everyday walks into a supercharged habit. Stick around, you might never look at a walk the same way again. Oh, and if you're new here, hit subscribe so you never miss a step toward a healthier you. Let's get moving. Walking is good for you. It's easy to do. You can walk almost anywhere. You don't need special gear. Just put on your shoes and go. Walking is a great way to improve your health. It's good for your body and your mind. Walking is for everyone. You can walk with friends or family. You can walk alone. You can walk in the morning or in the evening. You can walk for a short time or a long time. No matter how you walk, it's good for you. Even a little walking is better than none. Walking is a great way to start moving more. Walking every day can change your life. It is a simple step to a healthier you. Walking is great exercise. It makes your heart strong. A strong heart pumps blood better. This keeps your whole body healthy. Walking can help you lose weight. It can help you stay at a healthy weight. When you walk, you burn calories. Burning calories helps with weight management. Walking makes your muscles stronger. It can make your legs and glutes stronger. It can also strengthen your core. Strong muscles are important for everyone. They help you move better. They also help you stay healthy as you get older. Walking is not just good for your body, it is great for your mind too. Walking can reduce stress. When you walk, your brain releases endorphins. Endorphins make you feel good and relaxed. Walking can improve your mood. Exercise like walking can help fight depression and anxiety. A simple walk can make you feel happier. Walking is good for your brain. Studies show that walking can improve memory and thinking skills. It can even help protect your brain as you age. Walking is a simple and powerful way to improve your health. It is good for your body and your mind. Start slow and gradually increase your time and intensity. Walk for at least 30 minutes most days of the week. You can break it up into shorter walks if you need to. Find a walking buddy to make it more fun. Listen to music or podcasts while you walk. Enjoy the fresh air and sunshine. You can even turn your walks into adventures. Lace up your shoes and step out into a healthier you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.